Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create or delete partition in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's begin on how to create a partition in Windows 11. So at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with Disk Management. The moment you have to click on it, wait until a new window, which is your disk management, would appear here in our screen. Where here you need to proceed with your hard drive. Please do a right click and at this list of the options, look for shrink volume. So in the shrink volume, you need to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. Okay, so let's say for example 100 MB in my case. So in your case, you just have to enter the amount of space that you would like to go with and go with a shrink. The moment you have click on it here would be this partition would be would be created, but it's still unallocated. So in order to do so, in order to fix that, you just have to do a right click and go with new simple volume and click on next. The moment you have click on it, click on next again and assign the following drive letter. So click on this down arrow and assign the following drive letter that you want to go with. And once you're done, click on next again and select the file system, either FAT32 or NTFS. In my case, I'll be choosing NTFS. Click on next and go with finished. Wait until you will be able to create a new partition in your Windows. And there you have that. You have just successfully created a new partition from your hard drive. But let's say if you want to delete such, you want to delete it. So we'll be performing a very basic step again. And that is you need to select the partition that you have just created. Please do a right click and here you would be able to see an option called delete volume. So click on it and go with yes. Okay. And once you have deleted it, it will be marked here unallocated. So proceed to your USB drive. Please do a right click and go with extend volume. But let's say if your extend volume is being grayed out like mine. So don't worry. The very first step that you need to do is you need to back up all the important files or the file folders that you have just saved here in your USB drive or in your hard drive. And once you have backed it up, okay? Ensure to back the top. You need to do a right click and go with delete volume. Click on yes. And once you have deleted it, it will be merged. But it is being unallocated yet. So in order to fix that, you just have to do a right click, go with new simple volume, click on it, and the moment you have the click on it, wait until a new window would appear. But let's if it doesn't, then go with that new simple volume again, go with next, click on next again, and assign the following drive letter that you want to go with. In my case, I'll be choosing E. Then select the file system. In my case, I'll be going with NTFS and click on next and go with finished. Wait until it will be done the moment you have clicked on finished. Okay. And we just have to wait until our new volume, which is our E drive, will be appearing here. So that's it. Okay, we have just successfully deleted a partition in your Windows. Okay, so those are the steps in how to create or delete partition in your Windows or computer. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.